For decades, stripping rust off industrial steel meant sandblasting. Loud, messy, expensive in consumables, and not exactly friendly to whatever's underneath the rust. There's a better option today, the Wattsan CW Pro 3000. 3 kilowatts of continuous beam, no abrasive, no chemicals, and a clean surface in a fraction of the time. My name is David, this is Virmer. Check your subscription and let's get started. The CW Pro handles a wide range of industrial cleaning tasks fast, on large surfaces with no consumables to worry about. Rust, varnish, paint, light oxidation on metal, concrete, brick, you name it. This is industrial cleaning where the appearance of the surface underneath is not the priority. Coverage and speed are. Now, if you're dealing with thicker contamination or powder coating, the CW Pro is not the right tool. For that, you want a pulsed machine, TEYU Pro or PA series. There are separate videos for those on our channel. But for the typical industrial cleaning job, the CW Pro is hard to beat. 3 series. Wattsan's continuous wave lineup is split into 3 series, CW, CW Pro and CW6000. The main difference between them comes down to one thing, the number of mirrors inside the laser gun. And that in turn decides which cleaning patterns are available. The CW Pro you're looking at today has 2 mirrors. That means more pattern options, more flexibility, more control over how the beam actually moves across the surface. Patterns. You're not limited to a single line. You can clean with various patterns. Horizontal line, vertical line, circle, rotating circle, field circle, field square. The patterns are not just visual variety. Here's why they matter even if your hand pauses in one spot for a second. The beam keeps moving inside the pattern. That dramatically reduces the risk of overheating the material. A static beam burns, a moving beam cleans. Settings. Beyond the pattern itself, there are 2 more parameters that decide how the CW Pro behaves on a given material. Scanning speed and power. These 2 always work together. Thin contamination on a delicate surface, lower the power, raise the speed. Thicker layer on tougher material, do the opposite. Pattern size, width and height. Maximum is 300 by 300. A bigger pattern covers more area per pass. A smaller pattern gives you the precision in tight spots. Match the size to the job and the machine does the rest. Components. The version on display is a 3000 CW Pro. The same series also runs at 1500 watts and 2000 watts, with laser sources from JPT or Raycus depending on configuration. The controller is Ruida, a name you'll see across most of laser industry. Straightforward interface, fast to learn, and it does what it needs to do without getting in your way. The cleaning gun is a Relfar unit, Relfar being a subsidiary of Ruida, under 1 kilogram, properly ergonomic, and that matters when you're holding it for hours at a time. Cooling comes from a TEYU water chiller, a brand that's been the default choice in industrial laser equipment for over 2 decades. Reliable, quiet, no surprises. And one more thing worth mentioning, Wattsan also offers a 6 kilowatt CW cleaner that covers 1 square meter in just 50 seconds. If your workload is heavy enough to justify it, that's an option worth checking out on the website. If you are considering the CW Pro or you are not sure whether continuous wave or pulse cleaning fits your application better, our managers can walk you through it. You can also visit our demo hall in Vechel and see the CW Pro working in person before making a decision. Virmer service engineers are available across Europe for installation, training and ongoing support in 7 languages. Do you have any question? Drop them in the comments below. My name is David, this is Virmer. Like and subscribe so you won't miss the next video. See ya!